Welcome to all of you, the TYBSc students 2020-21. Myself, Dr. Ajay Sarjarao Nalode, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Sri Shahaji Chhatrapati Mahavidyalaya, Kolhapur. I hope all of you have get familiar with the online teaching and learning process, and our head of the department, Dr. Priyanka Jadhav, had given you the brief idea about the entire subject botany, and I am going to deal with the paper genetics and plant breeding, and today I am going to give a brief idea about the subject genetics and plant breeding. Here is the list of the students who are in the TYBSc Botany 2020-21. First one is the Aniket. Second and third one are the two sweet sisters Bhagyashree and Dhanashree. Fourth one Dheeraj. Fifth one Prasad. Sixth one Ritvik. 7 Samruddhi. 8 Shivani. 9 Saurabh. I always start my lecture with a moral or motivational thought. So similarly, I am giving one motivational thought in this today's lecture. One of the American famous educator, author, businessman, and keynote speaker, Stephen Richard Conway, have given 7 habits of highly effective people. He wrote a book on this topic in which he gives 7 different habits of the effective people who used these habits and get successful. The first one is be proactive. Means एखादा सपोज प्रोएक्टिव्ह म्हणजे काय की एखादी सपोज एका सिच्युएशन मध्ये समजा तुमच्या अंगावर एखादं झुरळ पडलं तर लगेच रिॲक्ट न होता सिच्युएशनला केअरफुली हँडल करून आपण ते झुरळ केअरफुली त्या सिच्युएशन बघून की बाजूला काढायचं. दॅट इज प्रोएक्टिव्ह instead of reactive. We have to be a proactive. The second one, we have to start with the end in mind, because that means we have to think about the end whenever you start any process or anything. We have to start with the end in mind. The third one, do first thing first. That means you have to take work first thing first. Then fourth one, that is think win and win situation. That means आपल्या बरोबरचे जे काही कलिग्स आहेत तर त्यांना पण सक्सेस मिळेल, त्यांना पण या गोष्टींमधून मोटिवेशन मिळेल आणि सगळे एकत्र या जे काही एज्युकेशनची प्रोसेस आहे, लर्निंगची प्रोसेस आहे, व्हॉट एव्हर जे काही असेल त्या गोष्टी आपण एकमेकांना धरून आपण नेहमी पुढे गेलं पाहिजे. फिफ्थ सिच्युएशन, दॅट इज फिफ्थ हॅबिट, दॅट इज अंडरस्टूड अदर्स फर्स्ट देन बी अंडरस्टूड. आपण समोरच्याला आधी समजून घेतलं पाहिजे आणि मग त्याच्यावरती आपण रिॲक्ट झालं पाहिजे. दी सिक्स्थ हॅबिट, दॅट इज सिनर्जी. दॅट मीन्स वी हॅव टू take example of Australian cricket team, that is who win the World Cup 3 times. Similarly, the example of the movie Avenger, who the last part which earned a lot of money. That means the Avenger movie जी होती ती भरपूर फिल्म्स भरपूर स्टोरीचं कॉम्बिनेशन होती आणि त्याच्यामधून त्या पर्टिक्युलर मूवीमध्ये और पर्टिक्युलर त्या ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्रिकेट टीम मध्ये एक प्रकारची सिनर्जी असल्यामुळे त्यांना सक्सेस मिळालं. अँड द लास्ट हॅबिट, दॅट इज शार्पन युअर सॉ. That means you have to always uh, sharpen your saw or your thoughts to get successful life. So here these 7 habits of highly effective people who used this Stephen Richard Covey's theory or these habits who get successful life in get successful life. Now we turn towards the our main topic or main today's topic, that is introduction about our main subject, that is genetics and plant breeding, which is the uh, ninth paper for this BSc third, and in which we will first see the definitions of these two different subjects, that is genetics and plant breeding. Genetics, firstly, which is the branch of biology concerned with the study of genes, genetic variations and heredity in the organism. While similarly the plant breeding, which is the science of changing the traits of plants in order to produce desired characteristics, which has been used to improve the quality of nutrition in products for humans and animals. The entire paper is uh, divided into 4 different units. That is, first one is the Mendelism, second is the linkage and recombination, third one is chromosome structure and variation, and fourth one is the plant breeding. The first unit, Mendelism, which is having 10 lectures, and in which we are going to study the work of Gregor John Mendel, who worked a lot in the genetics. Especially we have seen the Mendel's work in the 12th about the Pisum sativum, that is pea plant. In this unit of Mendelism, we will see the introduction, definition and various basic terminologies which are used in the genetics. Then we will see the principles of the inheritance with the help of 3 different laws, that is law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent assortment, and the third subunit, that is gene interaction. We will also study the interaction in between the genes with the help of complementary gene interaction and supplementary gene interaction. The second unit is again having 10 lectures, which is linkage and recombination. The linkage and recombination, this unit is divided into 3 different subunits. The linkage and recombinations are the processes which occur in the meiosis. The linkage, uh, we will see the definition, the linkage group, different types of linkage, coupling and repulsion phase, and the significance of the linkage. Similarly, the recombination, again the definition, the types of recombination, then mechanism of crossing over and the significance of the recombination. The third subunit, that is mutation. Mutation means the sudden heritable change in the phenotype of the individual. The mutation, we will see the definition of mutation, that is and the different types, that is spontaneous and induced mutation. Then we will see in mutation different types of mutagen, means the mediums which are used to induce the mutation, the two different types, that is physical mutagens and chemical mutagens, and lastly we will study the significance of the mutation. The third unit is belongs to the subject genetics, which is again which is having 13 lectures, and the name of the unit 3 is chromosomes structure and variation. In this unit we will study the 5 different subtopics. That is, first one is the structure of the chromosome. That means the क्रोमोझोम जे आहे, जो गुणसूत्रे जी असतात पेशीमध्ये असणारी गुणसूत्रे जी आहेत ती त्याचं स्ट्रक्चर कसं असतं, तर फर्स्टली द introduction about the chromosome structure, then types, different types which are based on the position of the centromere. जो काही क्रोमोझोम मध्ये सेंटरला और एक पर्टिक्युलर स्ट्रक्चर असतं सेंट्रोमियर, ज्याच्या पोझिशन वरून त्याचे 4 डिफरंट टाइप्स पडतात. मेटासेंट्रिक, सब मेटासेंट्रिक, acrocentric, telocentric. These 4 different types we will study in this chromosome structure. Then the second subunit, that is multiple allelism. We will study this multiple allelism with the help of introduction, the definition of multiple allelism, self incompatibility in the plants. Then third subunit, that is quantitative inheritance. That is, inheritance means वारसा जो आहे, तर तो quantitative inheritance जो आहे तो आपण दोन सब युनिट्स जे आहेत, रादर मी म्हणेन की one law or one theory and one law. With the help of these we will study this quantitative inheritance, that is polygene inheritance, the concept, and in which we will see one example, that is kernel color in wheat. Then the second subunit, that is population genetics, we will study this with the help of one law, that is Hardy-Weinberg law. And the fourth subunit, that is maternal inheritance, we will study with the help of Mendelian versus cytoplasmic inheritance, plastid inheritance in Mirabilis jalapa. That means गुलबक्ष जे आहे तर त्याच्या माध्यमातून आपण मॅटर्नल इनहेरिटन्स जो आहे, जो की इनहेरिटन्स जो आहे तो फिमेल कडून काही कॅरेक्टर्स इनहेरिट होत असतात पुढच्या जनरेशन मध्ये. such type of thing we will study in the maternal inheritance. That is, then the last subunit, the alternation in genetic makeup and its significance. Again this subunit we will again study with the help of 2 different subunits, that is change in chromosome structure. This alternation in genetic makeup मध्ये आपण जे काही क्रोमोझोम स्ट्रक्चर आहे तर त्याच्यामध्ये बदल झाल्यानंतर काही गोष्टी जेनेटिक मेकअप चेंज होऊ शकतो, तर ते होणारे बदल जे आहेत तर ते कोणत्या कोणत्या प्रकारचे आहेत ते आपण बघणार आहोत. दॅट मीन्स चेंज इन क्रोमोझोम स्ट्रक्चर, दॅट इज 4 डिफरंट चेंजेस: डिलिशन, डुप्लिकेशन, इन्व्हर्जन अँड ट्रान्सलोकेशन. क्रोमोझोम वरती असणाऱ्या जीन्स काही वेळेला डिलीट होतात, काही वेळेला रिपीट होतात, काही वेळेला इन्व्हर्ट होतात आणि काही वेळेला ट्रान्सलोकेट होऊन दुसऱ्या क्रोमोझोमवर जातात. तर अशा प्रकारचे चेंजेस आपण ह्या सब युनिट मध्ये बघणार आहोत. आणि त्याच्यानंतर changes in the chromosome number, that is euploidy and aneuploidy. Such type of things we will study in this entire subunit, chromosome structure and variation. The last unit is having 12 lectures, that is plant breeding. For this purpose, I am again repeating the definition of plant breeding. The plant breeding is the science of changing the traits of plants in order to produce desired characteristics. It has been used to improve the quality of the nutrition in products for human and animals. Now you get understand or get familiar with the definition of breeding. So with the help of this brief idea, we will study the subject, uh, very interesting subject, rather I can say very interesting subject, plant breeding, which is divided into three subunits. In first subunit, we will study the plant breeding with the help of a brief introduction about the plant breeding, then a proper definition of plant breeding with the help of views of different scientists. The scientists can define the any subject with their proper angle of view, the definition of plant breeding. The second subunit, that is the aims and objectives, different objectives of the plant breeding. And the third subunit, that is the different methods which are used in the plant breeding, in which we will see the introduction, then acclimatization, uh, in then selection. In selection, three different types of selection, that is mass selection, pure line selection, and clonal selection. Then we will see the hybridization techniques in self-pollinated crops. Then we will study the male sterility. That means we have to make a sterile the part of plant, male part of the plant, that is anther, we have to make it sterile. That means the male sterility, and its significance, or rather I can say its use in the breeding, which is very important. Then the last, that is mutation breeding. uh, Previous in unit 3 we have studied, we will study the mutation in detail. Afterwards you will get the brief or entire proper idea about the mutation breeding, and in which one interesting concept, that is gamma garden, we will study. So this is all about the entire paper, genetics and plant breeding. So with this I have given you a brief idea about entire subject, genetics and plant breeding. From next lecture we will start to study the first unit, that is Mendelism. Thank you. Thanks one and all.